Today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami balloon, water balloon, or whatever you want to call it. Can't really put water in it, it's paper, but fold that over like that to get a square sheet of paper. If you don't have a square sheet, I'm showing you that right now. Fold that over nice and evenly, so it's like that. You want to cut off all of that excess, nice and even along that line that you created from the fold. When you do that, you're going to end up with a square sheet of paper. So let's get started. And take and fold it in half both ways. So let's do that. Make sure it's even. Here we go. Open it up, and we're going to flip it over. And you're going to fold the bottom right corner up to the top left corner diagonally. Nice and even. So, unfold that. Now we're going to fold the other corner up. We're going to unfold that. So do this. Do this and then flatten it. There. Just like that. So you got it flattened. Now you're going to take the bottom left and right flaps, just the front layer, and you're going to fold that up. So we're going to take this top flap and we're going to bring it down to the bottom. We're just going to make a little crease. And put the flap back to the top. Take the front right point of it and fold it to the left. Right in the center on that crease that you just made. Use that crease to line it up. And now you're going to repeat that on the left side and use the point you just made to line that up. Nice and even. Now fold the two top flaps down to align with the left and right triangular flaps. So, just like that, and just like that. So you got it just like that. Fold the left and right flaps down again over the top of the flaps underneath. like that. Open the right triangular flap and slot the flap above it inside. So you're going to open this, and then you're going to take this flap you made right here, you're going to put it inside there. Sorry, I showed that wrong. You take the whole flap, you're going to want to put it inside. So you want to open it and just kind of fold that into it. Take this flap you just made and do the same thing. Open up that one and fold the whole thing inside of it. So then you got the whole thing right inside. Flip the paper over to the other side and repeat all those steps. So let's see if I can remember that. Okay, so we're going to fold this up. Fold this one up. And then we're going to take the right side, we're going to fold it down and just make a little crease. Just one right at the edge, so we have a point here. And then we're going to take this right side, we're going to fold it over. And we're going to do the same with the left side. Fold that over to the point we just made here. And then we're going to take this and fold it down. Same with this one. We're going to fold this one down. Then we're going to fold this over. Take this one and fold this over, make a crease. And then you're going to open each side and you're going to slot it inside there like the other one. And then just kind of come on, you can do it. There you go. You just slot it inside there like that. Just like that. So you got all that done. All right. Next. Fold the left and right sides together. So the sides you just folded, fold them together. Pick up the model and blow into it. So take it right here where you got that little hole. Just kind of There you go. And I guess it will hold some water. It'll hold air. So all you do is you take it and blow right there. And it just expands right open on you. You don't have to force it. If you get just right, you should be able to get it open just right. Straighten out your edges if you want, and there's your Origami water balloon. Fill it up with water right there. And it should hold water for a few minutes at least. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.